Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. The Google Pixel 9a is shaping up to be a game changer in the mid-range smartphone market. With a March 2025 launch on the horizon, leaks have revealed some exciting details. Curious? Let's dive into what's coming. Size upgrade. Jumping from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches for a more immersive experience. 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Sleek new design. Say goodbye to the chunky camera bar. Leaks show a pill-shaped camera housing with a nearly flat back. Tensor G4 chip. Google's next-gen AI-powered processor for better efficiency and speed. 8 GB RAM plus up to 256 GB storage for seamless multitasking. Massive 5,100 mAh battery to keep you powered all day. "48-megapixel main plus 13-megapixel ultra-wide. Get flagship-level shots at a fraction of the price. 13-megapixel selfie camera for crisp, detailed selfies. Google's legendary AI-powered photography, night sight, magic eraser, real tone. $499 for 128 GB and $599 for 256 GB. A solid deal. Pre-orders March 19th, 2025, and launch March 26th, 2025. Colors: obsidian, black, porcelain, white, iris, blue, peony, pink. Android 15, out of the box with 7 years of updates. IP68, water and dust resistance, built to last. Flagship features on a budget. A true Pixel for everyone. The Pixel 9a is shaping up to be the best affordable Pixel yet. With a bigger screen, upgraded cameras, and longer support, it's looking like an unbeatable deal. Will you be getting one? Please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.